Ki armut ki nongelam jong ka BJP uba ALHEC uba dei menteri ke sorkar bat kumju uba M kharkrang uba dei unong Ïingdrorbar jong ka BJP ni kisngi kala penpau ba ka Ktien Hindi kadai ke bala pendon kam salansar hakari India na kaliang uba ALHEC ba kren ulong ba ka Ktien Hindi ke kadai ke Ktien bapura jong kari bat baroh ki Ïingdrorbar thau anh ha kari bat kumjuro hapoh parlemen ki pendon kam ya kini Ktien nakaliang uba kharkrang pan habakren bat kilat petai kebor halor kini ke jui ka Khang ulong ba kejing persya jong ke VPP don ayai banong hanrai kejing pendon kam ya Ktien Hindi hapoh ke Ïingdrorbar thau anh kadai kababiang pura namar Ktien Hindi kadai Ktien ke hapoh kari India ki pendon kam lot baroh bat ulong ru ba amla ban Khang ya kata khamtam habai dei bat kejing sngo jong kaseng VPP.
I don't want to make any comments on what the other political parties, they intend to do. It is not right also. But I feel what to say. I mean, like if that's their point of view, then how?
No, what's your point of view on governor addressing the house in Hindi?
No, Hindi is the national language, no. So how can we stop that? And for that matter, even English is a national language. So if you don't accept Hindi, or if you don't accept Hindi, then how do you accept English? See, so the thing is, these are two national languages which have been recognized. And apart from that, then the other languages are the only local languages you can speak. So from our side, from the BJP side, we don't have any problem of speaking in Hindi.
Well, the translator
Copies are there. Assembly Secretariat has already made all arrangements. So that ultimately, for any excuse, you can't make it a political agenda for any excuse. For any reason, somehow or the other you get some reason on and make a political agenda out of it. And I think so. Let's concentrate on development. That is what is required for our state, rather than talk about these kind of things.
And the Hindi is the official national language and also the official language. How you can say that we will go against the national language?
So what do you think UP is raising up the issue?
This is their own opinion, their own issue. But if you ask me, the Hindi is the Rashtra Bhasha. They speak in all the assemblies in the state of the country. They speak in parliament. So this is the national language.